Hey internet friends, and good morning on this super exciting adventure because today is the very first day of VidCon 2019. We are here in Anaheim, California for the biggest convention of online video. I went to my very first VidCon 3 years ago in 2016, and we are back today for the 10th anniversary of VidCon, and I could not be more excited. I remember when I first went, it was like the most amazing experience ever. Today is day one, it's Thursday. The convention expo hall just opened, everyone's lining up. And so today we're gonna go in, meet some people, explore the expo hall, and see everything that VidCon 2019 has to offer. So the time is now 9:10. The expo hall literally just opened 10 minutes ago, and the line to get in is insane. There are over 70,000 people here, and so it's gonna be a huge crowd. You guys, I see a super familiar face. Elise, hello! Hi, good to see you. So Elise and I met 3 years ago at VidCon, and we are reunited once again.
Yep.
Elise, how's your VidCon going?
It just started, so I don't know.
It literally just started.
It literally just started like a few minutes ago.
Yeah, well, you know, it's off to a great start. We got a lot of stuff to check out.
Yeah.
Like, I don't even know where to begin. I'm so overwhelmed right now, but we're gonna have a lot of fun today. So right now we are here at the Hasbro gaming booth, and I see a lot of Nerf guns. I have a feeling we're gonna get shot.
Yeah.
And so this is not gonna end well.
That's what I said the moment that we got in here.
Seriously. Also, I don't know Fortnite, but that's here at the booth.
I don't know Fortnite either.
But you know, kids are into Nerf and Fortnite these days, so we're doing what the kids are into. Lit. They gave us these glasses so we wouldn't get hit with the Nerf guns.
I thought that it was just like that.
It's just a little target practice. But no, there's a whole Nerf gun arena.
I didn't know that.
It's about to get wild.
I'm blind.
And probably violent, same. No, I feel you.
Okay.
Well, that was an attempt.
There was an attempt.
Their attempt was made. That's what matters. I do not even know how to load this thing up, so this should really be interesting.
Hop on in.
Oh my god. Oh my
30 seconds to get started. 30 seconds.
Oh my god, this is so much. Oh my god. I don't know how to load this blaster. Wait. Oh my god. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god. Ah! Hi.
Hi.
Oh my god. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my god. This is so stressful. Ooh. Okay. We're just shooting everyone. It's a free for all. Oh my god, I got in the face. This is not fun anymore. There's so much ammo on the ground. Oh.
That was like, what, 3 minutes?
That was only 3 minutes?
It felt like it.
That felt like a good 10 minutes. Congratulations.
Thanks.
We survived that. So now that we thankfully survived the Nerf Gun Battle, we made our way over to the Nickelodeon booth where they have a lot of stuff going on from their shows. They do have an All That reboot. Elise and I were just talking about All That. Yeah, like, that was my childhood. I loved All That.
I remember like Jamie Lynn Spears was in it.
She wasn't she?
And then, I don't know who else. I only remember her.
I know Jamie Lynn Spears, Kenan Thompson.
Oh, Kenan Thompson was in it?
Yeah, like the OG cast.
Oh, way back.
And one of the iconic things is the little like jumping open they did in the like early seasons, and so we're about to try that here. It's gonna be interesting.
Should be fun though.
Hopefully we don't fall off the trampoline, fingers crossed.
We're here and 3, 2, action.
Whoa! Oh!
Alright, keep doing that and action. Keep jumping, keep jumping. Alright, you're all set.
Oh my god. It's a very bouncy trampoline.
Over here on this side, the man, the myth, the legend.
So Nickelodeon had like this Dora the Explorer thing going on their booth. I didn't even know there was a new Dora. Like this does not look like the Dora I grew up with.
Oh, yeah.
This looks more like Legends of the Hidden Temple
Like Temple Run.
Yeah. I see what their inspiration was. Swiper, no swiping. Oh, but that looks a little scary. That reminds me of like that Fox meme on the chair. Alright guys, 3, 2, 1.
Alright. You were on fire last time.
So here in the Facebook Watch booth, there's a lot of stuff here for a really good photo op. It's very lit, if you can't already tell. We're here, what can we say? Play together, watch together. We're doing everything together.
Aww.
But yeah, there's a lot of really cool photo ops here. Like, I feel like VidCon's a combination of two things. YouTube ads and Instagram pop-up museums.
Yeah.
It's pretty fun though, I have to admit. I was not expecting that.
Last one. Make it count. Nope. Oh my god. It's just flying all over the place.
I just make one in. Okay, there we go. This Instagram booth is very colorful.
Yep.
It's crazy. I don't know what to do here. We're doing a boomerang, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know where we're doing a boomerang, but... Nice. Oh, I love that. That looks so cute.
Aww.
Okay, I'm definitely posting that. Right now we are at the Jimmy Fallon booth and we're getting ready to play Box of Lies. I love this game. Elise
I've never played
has
it.
never played it. Wish me luck. Wish us luck. You're
Yeah.
gonna do great. Got
Thanks.
this.
Yeah, you too.
I may or may not lie.
Okay.
But instead of little keys, it's like sports balls. So there's like basketballs, tennis balls, baseballs in a snow pea pod.
I think you're telling the truth.
You are correct! 1 point for Elise. Nice. You can open your eyes.
Okay, so there is a carrot and it's being pulled out by a bunny and the bunny is wearing a top hat.
I'm just gonna say she's lying.
Yeah, I'm lying.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Wait, what was it? I want to know what it was.
That was an impressive
Oh,
lie.
see, I almost believed you. I feel so old when I come to VidCon. Like, there are all these like creators that get mobbed, and I'm like, I have no idea who you are. You probably have like 1 million followers, but like, I don't know who you are. Elise, who are you about to meet?
Thomas Sanders.
Thomas Sanders. Like, bring me back to the Vine days. I miss those.
Oh my god, he was so good in Vine. I'd always
Seriously.
Vine him and everything.
By the way, I haven't mentioned this at all, but check out Elise on the Fine Brothers channel on College Kids React. You can't miss her. I remember we were walking around and literally she got recognized and I'm like, you're so famous. Like, I'm such a fan. Like this right here, this is the real meet and greets. College Kids React, Elise Com. Great. Anyways, have fun at the meet and greet. I'll see you soon. And now it's the largest convention of its kind in the world. Nearly 100,000 people are gonna be here, so make sure your phone is selfie ready at all times. We are at the stage and we are minutes away from the Escape the Night Season 4 premiere. First off, one of the most popular events here. I'm really stoked to see I Just Eat Enjoy Graceffa. It was 3 years ago at CES in Vegas that I actually got to meet them and they were super nice. And so I think this will be a pretty fun premiere.
I think I got along with them like really quickly. I didn't know what I was doing the first couple episodes, but it doesn't really take a genius to, escape the night. And Nikita won last season, so. I'm creating an escape the night escape room.
Alright, so I have to say the Escape the Night All-Stars premiere was pretty awesome, and it's crazy to see how many people, how many big YouTube stars they were able to get for that show, so that was pretty cool. Right now we made our way up to a little calmer part of the convention. Right now we are on the creator floor, and we are about to do a workshop on audience development. VidCon had this whole like creator certification program, so I feel like with the creator pass, I should probably learn some things on how to be a creator. Right behind me is about to be the Laura Prepon Fireside chat, which I'm super stoked for. I am a huge Orange with the New Black fan, and seeing Alex Voss in person is gonna be so exciting. I was a little confused when I saw her on the schedule because she wasn't the first person that came to mind when I think of YouTubers, but I found out she actually makes YouTube videos, has a pretty big social media presence, and so we're gonna go in, chat with Laura Prepon. It's gonna be pretty exciting.
What up?
What's happening?
Hi.
Thanks for being here.
I actually started posting to YouTube almost 10 years ago when I had a full-time job as an actor, and I had gone to film school, and my friends and I came up with this show, and I really wanted to be a director, but that's like I have to be a director. So we came up with this show, and I directed it, I edited it, and I was like a one-woman crew. And we posted them to YouTube like 9 years ago, and they're still on there.
What's that like playing a character for 7 years? Do you like turn into Alex at home sometimes?
It's not really like that. I mean, she stays with you, you know, obviously you play someone for so long, you know. But it's just like when I go to work, it's just so comfortable for me. Because the great thing about playing a character for 7 years is you get to really go through all the, it's not just like a 2-month movie shoot where you have 2 hours to tell a story and an arc. When you have 7 years to tell an arc about a character, you really get to know these people. And Alex is a part of me, you know, like I feel like I truly, obviously I play her, so I understand her. But no, I don't like go home and like put my glasses on and like turn into Alex.
Alright, so the Expo hall just closed up for today, and it was so much fun getting to explore all of that. But right now, the festival area is still very open. And before I head out, there's one more thing I do want to check out. Sliding into VidCon like, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. That was worth it. So we are now leaving the convention center, and I have to say, for day one, it was super jam-packed. Like, I cannot wait for the next 2 days here at VidCon. It was so much fun getting to explore everything, see all my favorite creators. If there is someone or something that you do want me to check out while I'm here at VidCon, because we still got 2 more days, please tell me below in the comments, and I'll be sure to try to hunt them or hunt whatever it is down. That's it for this day 1 VidCon vlog. Stay tuned for the other 2 videos coming up pretty soon, but until then, my name is Castro. Be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and bell button, and I will see you on the internet. When we were over at the Nickelodeon booth, there was like some kids that were filming like this interview, and this guy behind the camera was just like, okay, just talk to the camera and say, we love you, JoJo Siwa.
The kids kind of looked uncomfortable too.
They were like,